Hello, welcome to my channel, Supercar Sunday. This is the DT125R project. So a bit about the bike. This was a old field bike I bought in used off-road. I'd had the bike down the old workshop for a while. I got as far as painting the frame down there. So I've now moved everything back home. I've left the old workshop. A lot happier now I'm not there. So I've got plenty of my own projects to do, this being one of them. You've seen obviously other things I've been doing. So since I've got the bike back here, I've painted the swinging arm, I've reconditioned the wheels the best I can. It's not going to be like a full proper hardcore restoration, it's just more salvaging the bike, putting it back on the road. So obviously I've got it on its wheels. Painted the front forks. Bought some bars for it off eBay, they're not very good, they look like they're off something like maybe it's a CR80, they look too small. So I'm probably going to get some other bars, or I've got a few sets of them, so I don't know, I could maybe get the TIG welder out and TIG a couple of inch on each end. Cross that bridge when I come to it. So this is the engine here. Don't ask, I'll tell you anyway. So after cleaning it all up, and I did have some fantastic footage of the job that I've done on this engine. It actually had a piece broken off here. So I've cut this piece off another engine, an old engine I had, donor engine, I'll show you anyway. So this is the old engine, an old engine that I had in stock. I bought it with a load of bits years ago. I don't even think it's got any numbers in it. It looked like we've had a couple of numbers drilled out there, so it's scrapped basically. It just come with a load of old bits. So I thought, well, I'll cut this piece off here and I'll TIG it onto here, which I've managed to do. So I've welded that on there. Needs that spring obviously to hook under there, you see, to keep that in, keep that clutch arm in. So I've tigged that in, and I thought I'd paint it all up nice before it goes on the bike. So I used some simoniz spray paint, engine enamel. I'll show you this over here. So that's the stuff I used. And normally when I do them, I lacquer over them, just give them some extra protection from the fuel. I normally just put paint over them with some 2-pack lacquer, but what's happened, the 2-pack lacquer, it's all reacted. So I think I can live with it on the cylinder, you can't really see it around here. That casing, I'll just strip it off and repaint it. The side of the engine here, I'll have to do that again. So next up, some quick footage of the engine stripped down and paint. So that was the engine stripped down and paint. In the next video, I'll hopefully have this pig of a mess sorted out, and I'll be fitting the engine to the bike. In the meantime, I'd like to thank all the recent subscribers to my channel. Really appreciate you subscribing to watch these videos. It really means a lot. So if you've enjoyed the video and you're not subscribed already, please hit subscribe and please hit the bell.